Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Guys, if you want to share your WhatsApp link with a friend or family member, keep watching this video because in today's short video I'll show you exactly how you can create and share your WhatsApp link easily. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you are in the WhatsApp, tap on chats at the bottom. Now find the conversation of the person you want to send your WhatsApp link to and open the chat. In the message box, type your WhatsApp link in this format: wa.me/ enter your phone number with the country code including the plus. Tap the send icon. That's it. Now the person can click your link and instantly start a chat with you on WhatsApp. And you can also copy this link and share it anywhere, like in emails, on social media, or on your website, so people can contact you directly.